Wait a minute, who the hell is this guy casually walking through the streets with a samurai sword? One quick altercation transmogrifies into Fruit Ninja, and we ain't talking about cosplaying in the month of June. Wait, he walking around with daggers? Is that a kunai? Mans might be every black superhero fused into one. Golly, how many blades he got? Who walks around with 4 blades on their person? I know he avoids every metal detector. What has this brother seen? Where has this brother been? Must have grown up reading memoirs of Malcolm X and Dr. King. This man is built for war. Where's Commander Brown when you need him? If he joins forces with Detroit Urban Survival Training, they gonna be able to take on North Korea by themselves. The streets wanted to know if he was into professional wrestling. He said he was a big fan of William Regal. Look at the brass knucks. He has blades for your flesh and the brass knucks for your bones. This man is well equipped. Brother is a trendsetter. He made violence stylish. Rumor has it he's a bachelor by choice because his last relationship failed because he turned into an X-Man. Wolverine on command. Ain't nobody would have been complaining about Crypto Zoo with this slogan. Perhaps he was the weapon of mass destruction that George Bush couldn't find. Forget Neo, this Negro's the one. Even the Baba Yaga didn't want nothing to do with him. John Wick went into retreat when this brother pulled out a revolver with a scope on it. God damn. Even Ocelot don't got one of those. But he completed the game of life and now he doing side quests. Cause where do you get a scope for a revolver? Take this as a message to all hooligans. If you thought Blade was a problem, you better steer clear of his cousin Cutlass, cause he gonna leave you unidentifiable at the funeral home. What you gonna do when Cutlass reveals the scoped revolver and puts 6 bullets in you? He is the most dangerous man in the world. You mean to tell me you watched the entire video but you haven't subscribed? Hit the subscribe button and become a member on Patreon or on YouTube to get access to the Discord. We're waiting for you in the Shadow Realm.
Do it! Just do it! Make your dreams come true! Please! Please!
What are you waiting for, huh?
Oh my god.